The next supplication, which will be discussed, is found in chapter 60, verse 4.
Our Lord, upon you we have relied, and to you we have returned, and to you is the destination.
The first thing mentioned in this supplication is truly trusting in Allah, the Exalted. This has been discussed in detail in a separate podcast series titled Trust in Allah, the Exalted. But to sum up, true trust in Allah, the Exalted, is finding a balance between using the means one has been provided by Allah, the Exalted, such as their physical strength, and obediently accepting the results which Allah, the Exalted, chooses, fully believing that whatever Allah, the Exalted, has chosen is best for His servant. This has been indicated in a narration found in Jami Tirmizi, number 2517, where the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised someone to tie their camel in order to keep it safe, but also trusted Allah, the Exalted, will safeguard it for them. A Muslim should not move away from this balance, and either completely rely on their efforts, and then become impatient when the outcome is not according to their desires, nor should they become lazy, and not use the means they possess, as this defies the purpose of Allah, the Exalted, creating and providing them with it. The last aspect of this supplication indicates the importance of correcting one's intention. If one is returning to Allah, the Exalted, in the hereafter, and He alone will judge them for their actions, Muslims should therefore only perform actions for His pleasure. Just like an employer would not pay the wages of a person who fails to do the tasks they set them, a Muslim should not expect reward from Allah, the Exalted, when they act for the sake of someone else. In fact, they will be told on Judgment Day to seek their reward from the people they acted for, which will not be possible. This has been confirmed in a narration found in Jami Tirmizi, number 3154. Finally, as this divine meeting is inevitable, Muslims should therefore prioritize preparing for this meeting over all other things. The same way people prepare for important worldly meetings, such as ironing their suit. A Muslim should prepare for the most important meeting by being obedient to Allah, the Exalted, by fulfilling His commands, refraining from His prohibitions, and being patient with destiny.